Boos, welcome back to another episode on my channel. So for today I'll be re-transforming this wig that I received from someone. They were told that this wig was human hair. Yeah, it doesn't look too much like human hair. Also, I do have another video on how to style and dye your synthetic wig, so definitely take a look at that. I'll leave the information down below. Also, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you like what you see, and don't be a stranger with that like button. So what I do, I split the hair in half so it's easier to manage, and I'm just showing you guys how hard and difficult it was to get through that. Like, oh my god. As I mentioned before, the person that gave me this wig, they did say that when they bought this hair, on the box it came in, it said human hair, and the seller also told them that it was human hair. So they washed the hair, because human hair you can wash, you can do a lot of things to it, and the hair became like this. So they trusted me to revive it back for them, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. It was challenging, but I was just like, I accept, and I shall. And that is what I did. So like the beginning of every hairstyle, you comb out your hair. Same thing goes for a synthetic wig, especially when you are trying to, transform it back to something even more poppin', to get out all the knots, gnats, and all that crazy stuff. This process helps with the finishing, with the end result and how your style comes out and the achievement of that style. So don't go skipping this thinking the style you envision is gonna be popular. Like, don't do it, hun. At the top, you kind of get a hint of the curls that it came in. I would say it's like between a loose curl or a deep wave, the original pattern. I could have easily just spritzed it with some water and let the hair react to the water and bring back out these curls. However, the back of this wig was very matted. Even with the slightest touch of water, it clumped right back together, which is why I had to use option 2 and just decided to restyle it completely and give her a whole different look. So with my bin in the background filled with water, I'm adding apple cider vinegar to it. This just helps to, get rid of any product buildup if there was any on the hair. Mind you, the hair did come to me already washed, but I just wanted to just be extra, so I added it in there. I'm also going in with my black Jamaican castor oil shampoo, mix it all up, and dump the wig inside, and just, cleanse it again, give it an extra wash before we restyle it and make her look bomb. So because I strongly believe that this hair is like more on the synthetic or human synthetic blend hair, I didn't wash it how I would normally wash my hair or my human hair bundles. So that's why you see me just patting it down, being very gentle with her, but also make sure that she does get cleansed back to front, inside, sideways, and all ways. It took about 3 minutes or less to wash her hair. I didn't leave her to sit in it at all, and then I just rinsed her out, and it was on to styling her. Well, here's the part where I was just like, okay, yeah, guys, this is so not human hair. Like, there is no coming back from the original style, and we have to restyle her all the way. Like, no, it's not happening. So after the hair is washed, I'm sectioning out the hair into 2 in a way that it's easier to manage and get to curl it. I don't show too much of. I just section it out little pieces by pieces. I comb out the piece that I'll be using. I take a perm rod. I start from beneath. I roll over no, I roll the hair over the rod, so the rod does go under the hair. And I'm using this gray one. I'm not too sure how much diameter it is, how much in diameter that it is, or circumference or inches, but it's the gray one. It's the only gray one that you'd find if you're looking for these types of perm rods at your local beauty store. And I simply just roll it all the way to the top. Make sure that you get like the ends is the part that's crucial. You want to make sure that it's well, hidden and secured, because you don't want your curls to come out and the ends are straight. Like, that's a pet peeve of mine. So just make sure you roll your ends in first before you start rolling the hair around the perm rod itself and locking it in. So again, this back is just tough. Wow, tough, real tough. So I'll be doing that, and I'll come back and try to show you guys how it looks in the front. I didn't get the best angle, but your girl tried, and I just hope you guys overall enjoy the video. As I got to the front of the hair, it was dry, so I just used my spritz bottle filled with water, and I brushed out the hair, added the perm rod, this time rolling it more vertically in the direction that I want the curl to drop. I repeated this on the other side, and then I just went back in to tighten any loose curl or rod that I find could have been tighter. So with the steamer, I'm just going in, passing the steamer all around the hair. It also helps if you place a plastic bag over your wig. That way it locks in the heat to really give it that extra oomph. Afterwards, I'm going in with my Got2b freeze spray, passing the blow dryer on a cool temperature, and then cutting away any flyaways that may not have gotten into the perm rod. So this is after it has dried. I'm just removing all the perm rods from the hair. That may just needs to be gone. So starting from the back, it's really important, if you want the same volume all around, if you start off by opening up the curls into 3, continue opening it up into 3, especially if it's in the same row. As you get closer to the front, if you want it more voluminous, you can separate it into 5 or 7, but again, wherever your row is that you're opening it up more than 3 or 5 or 2, make sure you continue doing that along the entire row, so that way everything looks fabulous as it does here. Everything looks equal, it looks perfect. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below, if this is something you'd like to try with one of your old wigs. And definitely like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed already, do so now. Thanks for watching always. Till next time, boos. Have a blessed week and stay blessed.